I don't know how you're going to beat this weather. Sunny skies, pleasant temperatures. It's really nice, Roland.
It's really been nice. And I think it's going to be still on the nice side, although tomorrow and also on Thursday, we're still going to get a little more cloud cover than what we have seen over the last few days, all right? Okay. So the blue skies are not going to quite be there over the next couple of days, and I hate to tell you this, but it's just going to be clouds with no rain in the forecast. Speaking of rain, when you get a chance, I just posted on our KBOI2 Facebook page amazing aerial drone footage of the damage associated with the flooding in Charleston, South Carolina. There you can see the low that is finally starting to move away. There goes Hurricane Joaquin as well. So drier conditions are now going to be affecting the Carolinas, which is good news, but the damage is going to take quite a long time to recover from because it was just complete. There's just so much undermining of many of the major highways and roadways out there. It's going to take them a long time to figure that one out. But here we go, mostly clear skies across much of the state. This looks like smoke from a fire that's burning out there near Brundage Resort, so we may have to check that out. It could be a controlled burn, but there does appear to be a little bit of smoke that's blowing along on that westerly breeze. Showers down here across the desert southwest. Some of those little isolated showers affecting the state of Utah, but most of this has been favoring the extreme southwestern part of the country. That's where the low pressure systems keep wanting to go, one after another. It's Southern California through Arizona and then into New Mexico. The high temperature so far today, 80 degrees. That's 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. And the overnight low last night was 51 degrees. So we continue to see these really warm temperature readings. And outside right now, it's 80 in Boise, 81 degrees in Ontario, 78 degrees in Mountain Home, 70 in Stanley, and 72 degrees in McCall. Temperatures aren't going to fluctuate a whole heck of a lot. We're going to be seeing increasing clouds moving in on this very active westerly flow. You see this right here? This is where the main storm track is. There's a potential for maybe a few little isolated showers over the mountains, but with this strong, dry westerly flow that we have in place across the Gem State, this is what's going to give us more cloud cover in the forecast tomorrow. So I'm going to go for a mixture of clouds with maybe some occasional sunshine, but it is going to be mostly dry and temperatures are going to stay on the mild side. Here's how the computer models play things out through the day tomorrow. There you can see the high thin clouds starting to increase in the morning. Potential for showers up around the Panhandle. In the afternoon, we'll go with that mix of clouds and sun. Even looking ahead toward Thursday again, these westerly flows can bring in clouds, but they typically don't have the dynamics to generate showers down here in the valleys. So 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley will keep the temperatures on the warm side. 77 tomorrow, then back up to 80 degrees on Thursday. Sunny skies on Friday and Saturday with high temperatures approaching the mid-80s as we get into the weekend. So it looks like we're going to be a good 13 to 14 degrees above normal for this time of the year on Friday and Saturday. The mountains will be seeing mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, some clouds around on Thursday as well, maybe a couple of little isolated showers in the mountains, but mostly clearing skies here on Friday and Saturday up in the mountain range with high temperatures approaching the mid-70s on Friday and Saturday. So the warm, dry weather will continue for much of southern Idaho.
Amazing looking forecast, but at some point we got to get rain.
Yeah, at some point.
Some point.
Not right now.
Okay. Thanks, Roland.
You bet.